Got Luis here finishing up today on this rear firewall, which looks freaking awesome. Gotta do the Bondo over these holes. Should be pretty simple. Nice easy day. Right, Lois?
Yep.
You can do better. Ew, look at that. Finished up the Bondo on this side. Looks okay. These things, these high spots will sand out. Luis fabbed up the last little bit of the rear firewall. Just finished up the Bondo here. And yeah, this is probably gonna be a pretty short video just because I haven't done very much and Bondo's not exciting. It's like watching paint dry, so. We'll cut your finger off. Oh, too much. You messed up.
Nope. That's perfect.
And you have the Harbor Freight tomb bender, and now you have a Toys R Us welder. You're feeling the hidden Lois.
Yeah, we'll skip through that.
Ah! Yes! What is this?
Boom! Let's go open it in the
Radium.
living room.
Ready? Alright.
You got a knife?
No, I don't have a knife.
Oh, what the heck? You got a big Shinchoku banner, but you don't got a knife?
That's actually your banner, too.
It is.
Thank God they can't smell me through this video.
You don't smell that
I just
bad.
got done from the gym. I don't smell bad?
Yeah,
you want to come closer?
No.
Exactly.
I was next to you when we watched video. Okay, go.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, that's...
Nothing! You got a box of nothing!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what? It's in like a net?
Yeah.
Look at that.
This is a professional 2JZ fuel rail. Top feed because stock ones are side feed. This just makes everything so much better.
Do you have the feet for it too?
No, they don't come with the feed.
Oh, there you go.
They come with the feed. That was fast. I literally ordered this Wednesday and it's Friday now and I didn't pay for the 2-day shipping or anything. But thankfully because it's in Oregon, one state away. Alright.
Dude, shout out to Radium. That looks so sick. The packaging though.
They gave us plenty of fire cardboard, so that's great. Awesome. I'm really excited to get the fuel cell from them.
Dude, hell yeah. The thing off.
That's really on there.
Zach struggling. Oh.
Bluetooth throttle body.
SEMA ready.
SEMA ready, yeah. This isn't a new SEMA build.
Yeah, that was hard.
Okay, fine. I was making a joke. And you're making fun of my joke.
Yeah.
All that stuff can go into the garbage. There's not a amount there.
Yeah, there's only like just a few bolts.
That 10 will run away sometime soon. I know it.
Yeah, they all do. Alright, make sure there's no fuel in this thing.
It hasn't ran in like... I don't know.
Is the bottom still mounted in? There you go.
There, so we can't, because we'll be so excited, we're gonna just do that, you know? Like,
it's open now. Yes.
No need for Ziploc
Wow,
bags.
you're so messy.
I'm a guy, so I'll clean it up.
Gas mask.
Call of Duty Modern Warfare stickers.
Is that because you fart so much? You're doing it wrong, huh?
I am probably doing it wrong. There was no directions, and you probably should not be working on these cars.
Well, you did it crooked, so
No,
everyone on the internet's gonna talk crap about you, dude.
That's things straighter than me. Also, I don't know what we should be lubing this with. I could...
Oh, I would just lube it, like with, like, grease.
Like grease?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be taking them off anyways.
Oh, you're gonna be fine, because they're not... You'll be fine. Put a little spit on it. It's not my jazz.
What kind of jazz are you into?
I normally like to listen to smooth and slow and like you know, respectful jazz, not like the hardcore rap jazz. It made a nice noise.
Yeah, that's when you feel it.
Splunk.
Nice hole. I want to keep that engine hoist bracket on there just because it'll be a lot more convenient when we pull the motor.
Convenient. Dude, that is super close.
Right now we are going to mock up the fuel rail brackets and figure out how much we need it spaced off so it's bolted up in the right spot and not too tight where it's putting pressure and not too far away where it'll fall off.
Don't worry, it's probably gonna catch on fire the first time he drives it.
Thank you. The reassurance. It's those VW.
The reassurance.
The Volkswagen injectors that I got on there are definitely not going to be working in my favor.
Do they have bolts for that?
Yeah, I'm just kind of screwing around right now.
Ooh, look at that bolt opening by Lewis.
So it's an Allen head key just to put on the bracket.
That's Allen because it's probably easier if you wanted to pull it off from, like, had to adjust anything from the bottom side because you could get a 90 degree.
I'm kind of curious on how easy or difficult this will be to remove the fuel rail once everything's installed, the throttle body and intake.
A lot could happen. Ooh.
Backwards.
Okay, so I do
He
need...
says it's backwards?
No?
No?
No. But I do need those spacers that come stop.
Is there a hole in that thing? See if it fits into that.
It fits in.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. I
good.
don't even have to put them on the thing. So hopefully that will be the right height. And now I can figure
Oh,
out.
dude, that's perfect.
So when you do it, you get a little bit of a...
A jigga-wigga.
Yep. That way they all seat in and you're not pushing an O-ring around the wrong way. Hassle of installation because the intake's going to fit right here. And the socket fits perfectly.
Oh, yep.
So
there you go.
And 2 bolts. That's a lot better because the 1J that I have is 3.
Yeah.
And it's kind of a different setup, but there's just so much more stuff going on the 1J. This 2J is just, everything's there is simple.
Dude, that rail actually looks super
so
sick. It looks so good.
What'd be fun is it's kind of swapped, so usually your throttle body's on this side.
And then your TPS.
So
on the other side.
exactly. So now it's backwards. The only thing I won't be able to get to very well will be this first injector.
So we're gonna close out. I'm gonna close out the vlog here today. I didn't get really much done on the car other than the Bondo, which took a bit of time actually. And Luis just finished up with that, so the firewall's done. It's just about ready for paint. And then we got Zach's fuel rail installed, which is pretty cool and interesting. So.